So we are ripping up this carpet and seeing, we pulled up a little corner and it looks like it's hardwood floor like the rest of, or most of the house. So we're gonna rip this up and see. That was a job and a half. So the whole way along the trim, had to pull up staples. I mean, there were, along the trim here, I would say every half inch there was a staple. In the center is another story. The whole way up through the center, there's probably 2 staples every half inch, maybe more. So that was a pain. But it's done. Now sweep it up. The old carpet, I am cutting it up into little rolls so we can slowly take it out to the truck. Got the carpet cut in rolls. Now I'll roll it up, then I'll clean the entire floor. Got the carpet all bundled up. And what I did was I just simply nailed the ends so they don't come flying off. And it's easier for the trash man just to pick it up and throw it in. Got the floor all cleaned up. Now on to other projects. Alright, so I got the carpet up and we got hardwood floors underneath, nice and solid. Get them re-stained. Alright, so the floor guys are finished sanding our hardwood floors. So this is the kitchen and that's our living room. And these are the 3 colors that me and my wife picked out. So when she gets home from work, we're gonna decide what color we want, and they are gonna stain both rooms tomorrow. I believe, oh, let's see, this is Colonial Maple, the first one, which I actually like. And Gunstock 231, that's 223, the first one. And then Honey 272. So we might try and match up the floors in the kitchen, but I'm guessing my wife's gonna pick this one or this one. Probably this one, but she might pick the Colonial Maple. Alright guys, so the stain is down in both the rooms and I love it. Still got to put the polycoat on, so I think they're coming back tomorrow for that. So yeah, looks so nice. So the camera does not do justice how nice the floor is. I wish it could pick up the actual color. It's not picking up, so hopefully I can get some photos to show it better. Alright, so they got coat number 1 of the poly. I can't walk on it yet, but it looks so beautiful. It really brightens up our room. Alright guys, so the floor is done. You can't really see, I mean it looks so much better in person, so I don't know why the camera doesn't pick it up that good, so check out the photos. And also guys, it would mean a lot to me if you go subscribe to my channel, and also click the little icon here to turn on notifications. That way anytime I upload a new video, you guys get to see it. So thank you guys very much, and enjoy the rest of the video, or check out all my other videos.